the previous video, we briefly dissected the variables for broadcast spraying. Next, we're going to take you through the process of using the Master Manufacturing Spray Simple app. This is an easy tool that gives you the confidence in spraying the right amount of chemical on your lawn or field. The first step in the Master Manufacturing Spraying Simple app is to determine what type of equipment will be used. Click on the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner to start selecting the spraying equipment you will be using. Here you can pick from a variety of nozzles and Master Manufacturing boom and boomless kits. The selection of equipment will be determined based on what you currently have or would like to have at your spraying application. Nozzles available to choose are from a flat fan, ceramic flat fan, deflector, air induction, and boomless nozzles. All Master Manufacturing boom kits are available, including boomless options. Overall, a wide range of spraying equipment can be chosen. Now that a piece of equipment has been picked, you will need to determine the desired PSI and speed for the spraying application. Once those are determined, you will have established the gallons per acre number. From there, you can edit the name of the equipment and save for future use. Now, click the Home button in the bottom right of the screen, which will bring you back to the Spraying Simple main screen. Click on the equipment icon and proceed to click on the piece of equipment you saved in the table. Then hit the Home button to go back to the main screen of the app. So, you've established the equipment that will be used. The next step is to determine the size of the land that you will be spraying. There are several ways to determine this. First, if you already know the size of the land, you can manually put overall square feet or acres in the field bar. If you don't know the size of the land, the Spraying Simple app can sync up with Google Maps to determine that. In the upper right hand of the screen, input your address in the search bar and hit the search icon. Below, a map will generate for the address. You can click on the map to zoom in or out and even move around if you need to. Next, you need to hone in and measure your area. There are two ways you can do this. First, you can walk the perimeter of the area and lay down virtual pins on the map as you walk to seal off the section for the total square feet or acres needed. The second option is laying down area pins manually. In the upper left-hand screen, click on the plus pins icon to enable the option. Click on the map and a pin will appear. You can move that pin wherever it needs to go. To lay the next pin, tap on the map again and adjust to where it needs to be. Repeat this until you have established the area that needs to be sprayed. If you need to start over with placing pins, you can hit the eraser icon and have all pins cleared from the map. Next, you can name and save your area for future use. Hit the back button to be brought back to the land list page. Make sure you've selected your land and then tap the Home button. The main screen will show the current configuration that will give you the exact amount of chemicals needed to accomplish your spraying goal. You have established the equipment needed and the size of your spray area. You are now ready to spray. Fill and mix in your chemicals and jump on your transportation of choice. Click on the speedometer icon to reach your speedometer module. In the upper right hand of the screen, click on the desired speed range box. Here you will set your low and high speed. It is ideal to establish your low and high speed by 0.5 miles per hour of the recommended speed. This allows for some flexibility. Before starting the speedometer, make sure you check your GPS signal strength in the upper left-hand side of the screen, and it's a good practice to read the GPS information available before proceeding. Once you are set, go ahead and click on the play icon and proceed to spray. If you fall out of your desired speed range, an audio warning will come from your phone. The farther you are away from your desired speed, the more your phone will warn. This feature allows you to stay focused on the task at hand, rather than stop and grab your phone. After watching this video, you are not only familiar with how to use the Spraying Simple app, but you're ready to spray like a pro. You can download the Spraying Simple app through the iPhone or Android app stores for free. For more information on Master Manufacturing, visit our website at mastermfg.com or give us a call at 320-340-6164.